How to stop someone from seeing that you're online on Instagram? I'll show you step by step how to turn off this feature and also how to use it. So let's start with opening Instagram. And now I'm just gonna go to my DMs to show you how this feature works. So I'm gonna select this technology account, and if you take a close look at the top, just right below the name of the account, you should see active 10 minutes ago. If I will open Instagram from this account, then here we'll see active now and a green dot. So I'm just gonna refresh my Instagram to show you how this looks. And yep, as you can see, we got this green dot in the profile and active now status. So if you enabled this feature, then other people will be able to see your online status. To prevent this from happening, let's go back to the main page, tap profile icon in the bottom right, and click three lines to access settings. Here, we just gotta scroll down, just like that, to find messages and story replies. Click on that, and now you should see section who can see you're online. Tap show activity status. And if you would like to turn off this feature, then simply toggle off the switch next to it. Yep, let's toggle off. And now no one will be able to see that I'm online or was online 10 minutes ago, for example. That's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.